Hello, people of God. Oh, it gets something say you go here for this life. You go goose, as in you go hype. You go hype your spirit. I just dey watch one video now. If you never watch am, rush go Pastor Verah Orhobo video YouTube channel. Go watch am. Now wow, people get talk oh, people get word oh. She dey ask how Dr. Charles today na 24th. 26th, sorry, of June 2024. She dey ask Dr. Charles Apoki few hours ago na she upload that thing. Say how im take marry that kind strong woman. Dr. Apoki come talk some things. Ma tell you one of the things. I wan analyze that video. Pastor Verah, I no understand. I no understand. When they talk about one woman wey be say terrorists dey terrorize their town, the woman stand up, e dey watch the gas dey run. Pastor Verah come say yes, the woman that she threw the stone at. Why you talk like that? True. Make I put my glasses. True. No nah. True waiting. True waiting. E not true stone oh. True stone okay. Thank God oh. Dr. Apoki just shown her. Say no be true. Can never be true stone. It's now I talk. I say target the woman. I don't do small PH. To target and get your woman. Not be busy. Especially it's a moving object. Best way to feel move anytime. You target her. She gets the head. That's why you take kill that man. That woman a woman. So Deborah they call. That woman a woman of battle. Strong women don't tell what they did Bible. Don't tell what they did this life. So women they very strong willed. And somehow growing up as a young girl, they always they face that thing from Christian brothers. Any small thing, they will say women should not talk in public. Then they say they I don't know that I only me experience them as a teenager. And when someone go they fight the battle. If they don't fight that battle, they don't feel they talk say you possess, you are oppressed, you are depressed. They go just they use English, quotable quotation say they oppress us that time. It was difficult for me as a single teenager growing for God. Because Christian brothers, we always want to quote Apostle Paul. That's why today, if they quote Paul, I could even they vex. Let me say Paul do me anything, Paul not do me anything. You just carry Paul say we should not talk. Women should not talk. Paul say women should not talk. And that's they go take bobo me. I can't the verse. But where I can't go Pastor Verah church for Morning Christian Center, and that call you one line. They give me. You say Holy Spirit not be man. There's no female Holy Spirit or male Holy Spirit. Oh boy, that's give me small hope. But that's I don't mature, I don't born now, I don't marry now. But after then, I see the calm down. If I go say I be woman. Today I don't hear another line. Go Dr. Charles Apoki give the woman. Give Pastor Verah. He say, listen to me. He say, Verah. He say, women. I don't know why I just laugh because this is just make me they happy. Are they happy? Because Christian brothers when I hear this one, not too much. He said they are female sons of God. There are female sons of God. Make una gather. All those sisters, more na come. Will be female sons of God. If they try and make it, they say you be female son of God. May the Lord help us. But you need to follow these two people. I've talked about Dr. Charles Apoki before. I've not met him one-on-one as in personal relationship, no. Pastor Verah Orhobo, oh God, I've been with her, and I can tell you that she's more than what she is on the internet. She's good. She's nice. Distance. I come up by the town. Distance. Mama sweet finish. Followed her. Follow her. Find Verah Orhobo. Verah Orhobo or Morning Christian Center. But Verah Orhobo has more content. Just follow her on YouTube, Facebook. Join. Thank God so she goes to retire so she will get enough time to the back-to-back messages for us. We will hear from her. Thank you so much, our Papa Charles Apoki, for giving us this line. So once again, I say subscribe. We go to call, we go to knock all this in the preaching English, we go to break and down. This channel get things so we go do, we not go like. But as the Lord will help us. See you next time. Bye.